Hi everyone. Are you tired of changing the settings every time you set up a new meeting, room, booking, or event? Well, I have good news, you don't have to. You can create settings templates for different meeting types once and use them time and again. Not only will this save you time and effort in the long run, it also means that you can confidently jump into your sessions and know that everything will be the way you want it to be. Here's how. From Sessions Home, click on your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Account Settings, and then to Session Settings. You'll see that you can set up templates for instant sessions, planned sessions, events, bookings, and rooms. Keep in mind that your templates will be applied to all the sessions that you create in the future. For example, if you already have an upcoming event, its settings won't be impacted. But, if you create a new event, your settings template will kick in. Now let's look at the different types of settings. You'll see that they are neatly organized under tabs. First up is Access Settings. The Lock Session feature lets you choose if you want to approve each participant before they join. It's like having a virtual doorman, ensuring only the right people enter. Next, we have Request Guest Email. Activate this to collect participant emails. It comes in handy for post-session communication, like sending out takeaways, and for keeping a record of attendees. The Recording Consent feature ensures transparency and is a GDPR lifesaver. Participants are notified and asked for their consent when the session is recorded. Beyond that, Memory Access lets you control who gets access to a session's recording, resources, and analytics after it has ended. Choose between moderators, attendees, and anyone with the link. For extra security, there's the Request Passcode option. Toggle it on if you would like participants to enter a passcode when they join. Participants with an invitation link can join without a passcode. Moving on to Participant Permissions. This is where you decide who can do what during your session. Control who can share their screen, send reactions, show their camera feed, and unmute their microphone. You can also choose to hide inactive participants. This is a neat feature, because it keeps your session interface clean by not showing participants whose microphones and cameras are off. We recommend using this during events where you want all the focus to be on the hosts and speakers. Next up is Automations. Here you can set the transcript and recording to start automatically so that you can focus on your content and participants once the live session starts. You'll notice some warning messages here. These are just reminders that you need to ask participants for their consent whenever recordings and transcripts are active. Want to send out a professional follow-up message? Switch on Email Follow-up to automatically email all participants once the session ends. Now, let's look at widgets. Widgets are great for making your sessions more interactive. The nice thing is that you have full control over which of the widgets you want to show up on screen. You can decide whether participants will be able to view the agenda, access the participant list, use group or private chat, take part in polls, ask questions in the Q&A, take notes, view the transcript, and so on. If there are widgets that you know you won't use, then simply toggle them off. For many of you, the recordings are just as important as the live sessions. You can fine-tune your settings to ensure that your recorded sessions look the way you want them to. Choose full-sized videos if you want the video feed size to be as large as possible. You can also set your preferred view modes for different scenarios. I quite like audience mode during presentations, because it ensures that your video feed doesn't get in the way of your slides. Lastly, let's customize your exit page, because it's good to end things on a high. Toggle on Collect Feedback if you want your participants to rate your session and leave comments. Want to give participants a last chance to visit your website or access a special offer? Then enable Final Call to Action and select the offer you want to show. Once you're happy with your settings, don't forget to hit Save Template. This ensures your preferences are applied to all your future sessions. Well, now it's your turn to try. Grab your device, log into Sessions, and set up your default settings. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more sessions tips and tricks. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.